Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the mask and exhale valve are undamaged and clean. Once done, wash your hands to avoid contaminating the interior, then bring the mask up to your face. Place the top edge over the bridge of your nose and the bottom under your chin so the valve points away from your face. Make sure straps sit comfortably behind your head, not twisted. You want a close fit now. That initial placement determines seal quality during use. Next, focus on achieving a reliable seal. Press and mold the nose bridge carefully. This prevents air from leaking at the top. Once shaped, cover the valve and breathe in and out deliberately to perform quick pressure checks. Feel for inward collapse or outward puffing at edges. If you detect leaks, tighten or reposition the straps and reshape the bridge, then repeat. Keep adjusting incrementally. A small shift can stop a leak without making the mask uncomfortable. Finally, use the mask normally while keeping your hands away from the front and valve to preserve the seal. Remember that the exhale valve eases breathing but does not filter exhaled air the same as non-valved respirators. Use accordingly. If you notice fogging on glasses or persistent leaks, pause to redo the seal checks and reposition straps. If the valve sticks, rattles, or appears damaged, discard or replace the mask immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.